Hey, I hope you had a great weekend. In today's Fix It Mondays episode, I'm going to show you another quick tip on how to solve a squishy brake easily, without a full bleed. So let's get started. This is a pretty short process, should not take more than 5 to 7 minutes, so it's doable even before a ride if you feel that your brake needs it. So let's start with putting the bike on the stand and rotating it to achieve a vertical brake line from the caliper to the lever. This is very important because it helps the bubbles travel up to the lever where it can escape. Now another important step, open the lever adjustment bolt so the lever will be as far from the handlebar as possible. This bolt is different on some models, maybe yours needs an L cane to change it. If you have an SLX brake, then you can use the tool we made in the last episode to open the free stroke bolt as well. On XT and XTR this does not require any special tool, because it's a Phillips head bolt, but the SLX has a special bolt even if the mechanism is the same. So after you are done with these, put a zip tie on the braking lever and fix it to the handlebar to build some pressure until you prepare the tunnel with the oil. Pour oil in the bleeding tunnel to be at least quarter full. After 2 minutes, remove the zip tie, remove the bolt from the bleeding valve and insert the tunnel with the oil to the bleeding block. Watch out when screwing in, don't rush it. When it's done, remove the bleeding block and start to pump the brake lever. It should press out some bubbles. Do this until you see bubbles coming out. When it stops, get a tool with a plastic or rubber insert and start to hit the caliper a few times. And from there, climb up on the hose to the lever and keep squeezing the brake lever from time to time. Hit the caliper from every direction as well. Now rotate the brake lever in different directions and try to squeeze out some more bubbles. If no more are coming, then you succeed and it's time to ride this bike. Just a few more steps to finish the process. Place in the bleeding block, remove the tunnel. Screw back the bleeding bolt, clean any excess oil with isopropyl alcohol. Now screw back the free stroke adjustment bolt completely on SLX, but if it's on XT or XTR until the point it was before. Now the lever adjustment bolt on the desired distance and you are ready to ride the heck out of your beloved bike. This was for today. I hope I managed to show you some new tricks. If you can hit the like for the algorithm, it would help me as well. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you are making something different. Take care and go for a ride. See you in the next one.